Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Bella double-side cotton pads and tell you how it exactly worked out for me. About the brand. Bella is an Indian brand that focuses mainly on hygiene and healthcare related products like cotton pads, earbuds, and feminine hygiene. Where do I buy it from? I buy it from a health and glow store which have many outlets, and sometimes I buy them from the online store called Nykaa. Do check out my description box for the shopping link. Product packaging. The cotton pads come in a clear, soft plastic packaging with strings at the top and perforation at the bottom for convenient dispensing. Cost and lifespan of the product. The pads cost 119 rupees for 80 pieces. As for lifespan, I found nothing mentioned on the packaging or their website. Claims of the product. Claims are that it is imported from Europe. It is made of 100% clean, soft and natural cotton fibers, and it is delicate for all skin types. It is two-sided, the plain side ideal for cosmetic application and the embossed side perfect for gentle skin cleansing. Its close edges prevent fiber separation, and it is dermatologically tested. The ingredients. It is 100% pure cotton. My experience. Before I came across such cotton pads, I used to use this. I still have some left. The main reason I shifted onto these pads are because this one always left fibers, and that was an issue whenever I did my nails. The white cotton pads are circular in shape and feel soft upon touch, and it is also fragrance free. I also like the size, which is 5.5 centimeters in diameter. It is just big enough to hold on comfortably. I like how the packaging can be closed like this after it has been opened, making it easier to store. Also, when a product like a nail polish remover is applied on the pad, it does not spread out. This way I tend to use less of the nail polish remover. How I use the cotton pad. I mainly use them for removing nail polish and prefer to use the embossed side of the pad. And even though it is embossed, I don't feel any ridges or bumps whenever I use it. Pros and cons. It is wallet friendly. It is very travel friendly. It is fragrance free. Since the packaging is clear, I can see how much product is left. Does not mention anything on the packaging. Has a very good lifespan. The Bella and Pita website does not mention anything. It is easily available for me. My rating. I rate this product a 3. It loses a lot of points because most of the information was either not available nor mentioned. Will I buy this cotton pad again? Even though I have given this a 3 rating, I have not found anything better in the market, and until I do, I'll be using this. Don't forget to check out my other nail related videos. It is a must watch for beginners. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!